Hello friends, this video on weather, climate and adaptations part 13 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Let's look at another animal, that is beard ape. So have you ever seen a beard ape? So it's called a beard ape because actually it's an ape, but it has got huge beard. So if you look at it, you see so much of hair all over head and covering the entire face. So that is why they have been named as beard ape. And where do you see them? They are again seen mostly in forests. Now some of their adaptations are, they are very good climbers. Most of the time you see them on trees. So because they feed on fruits, leaves, flowers, etc. and they are all available on trees. So they are so good climbers that they can climb up on the trees and obtain its food, and they spend most of their lifetime on trees. So as you can see, they have very light weight. So due to light weight, it becomes easier for them to climb. So just think of this example. So somebody who is very fat and obese, will he be able to climb a tree easily? Or somebody who is like lean and thin and maybe a child will be able to climb it easily? Obviously a small child will be able to climb it easily because of its lighter weight. So the same holds true for this beard ape. Because of their light weight, it becomes easier for them to climb the trees. They have a long tail, which again helps in their movements. They have a small size, so small size and light weight, they together help them to be good climbers. They are called beard ape because of their silvery white hair which surrounds their head from cheeks down the chin. So everywhere you see this beard. So this silvery white beard, because of this they have been named as beard ape. Monkeys, very commonly seen in the forests, in the zoos, in national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and again these monkeys are also great climbers. So they can also climb trees, they can jump and hop from one place to another. And let's see what are the adaptations. They have a prehensile tail. So what do we mean by a prehensile tail? So this tail can be used just like a third hand. That is called a prehensile. So basically it's like having a third hand. We all have two hands. It has got three hands. So the tail helps the monkey to climb. It also helps to hang from branches, like as you can see here. So now how it is hanging from the branches, this can be done with its tail also. So the tail can also hold objects. So it is just like having a third hand. So it is almost like a third hand for the monkeys. Opposable thumb. So if you look at their thumbs, they can be folded in both the directions. Like for human beings, our thumbs can fold only in like one direction, but for them it can fold in both directions, and therefore it becomes easy to retrieve food and to climb trees. They are excellent climbers because of all these features. They live in groups in order to protect themselves from other predators, because normally they are found in forests and where a lot of other animals also live. Now being smaller in size, being not so powerful, they prefer to be in groups, because if some 40-50 monkeys are together, a predator will not feel like attacking a bunch of monkeys, right? So that way staying in groups provide them protection against predators. Let's talk about another animal, that is the red-eyed frog. So this red-eyed frog, they are a special type of frog which have got noticeably red eyes. So let's see what is special about these red-eyed frogs. So red-eyed. So it is not only the color of their eyes, but also the color of the entire frog. In fact, these frogs have beautiful colors. And you know why do they have beautiful colors? Because it helps them to camouflage for protection against predators. Now, what do we mean by camouflage? So I think I am using this term for the first time. However, I could have used it before also. Well, let me explain it now. Camouflage would mean that when the organism or the animal has a color which is similar to the color of the background. So the organism changes its color to make it match to the background so that their predators cannot catch them, or so that their prey do not notice them. So it is called camouflage. So one good example of camouflage could be these frogs, because they have a variety of colors. Look, so since they have like green color, so they can very easily kind of match with the green background of trees or bushes. So that ways their color help them to camouflage. They have suction cups on their toes. So if you look at their toes, they have suction cups here. What is suction cup? So suction cups are have you ever seen those hangers which are like round shaped, and then you have a hanger like this wherein you can hang stuffs? So they are nothing but suction cups. So when you press them hard on the walls, they stick to the wall. So that's a suction cup. That's an example of a suction cup. So if you look at the structure of the toes of these red-eyed frog, they also have suction cup on their toes, which actually help them to climb trees, and they can climb so high that they can even reach the leaves, and that's how they can obtain their food. They can stay there. They can protect themselves staying there. So that ways, these are some of the important adaptations in red-eyed frog. So I have tried touching upon a lot of animals which have adaptations. However, there are a lot of other animals also who are adapted. In fact, all animals are adapted to their environment where they live. So another examples are the adaptations of animals like lions, tigers, cheetah. So how do they adapt themselves? They primarily prey other animals. They eat other animals. So they have very thick skin. So that thick skin helps them to be strong and tough. They have a strong sense of hearing, and this helps them to catch their prey. So they'll very silently sit at one place, but with their strong sense of hearing, they will be able to hear any little sound which is being produced by some other animal, and that's how they will make all plans to catch their prey. They have long hind limbs, and these hind limbs help them to jump for longer jumps, and with these longer jumps they will be very easily able to reach their prey. So as you see, cheetah, it is like the fastest running animal because of its hind limbs. Many camouflage, a lot of them have colors which can match with the background, and that's how their prey will not be able to see them. For example, leopard is one such example. They have spots on their body. As you can see here, they have spots on their body, and because of this they blend very easily with the background. So this helps them to hide as a predator whenever they want to catch their prey. Steering tail in cheetah, again in cheetah being the fastest animal, so their tail, it also plays a very important role, as it helps to take sharp turns while running, because when you are running that fast, taking turns is also a big thing, but that is handled by this tail which it has, the steering tail which is called. So these are some of the adaptations of these big animals like lions and tigers. Thank you. Please visit www.examfear.com to watch more educational videos with a better experience. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you once again.